Anytime now. And the race is on. Jet Prop from the outside, D of Jade. And rushing up Cashier's Check in the middle, Sheila Princess. And moving up is Deep Pockets alongside is Sunday Street Island Friend. And alam mo na yan, is the early trailer, Sheila Princess, Jet Prop, Deep Pockets, D of Jade down on the inside. And entry number 5, Cashier's Check. And on the outside, Sunday Street Island Friend joining them. And alam mo na yan, still running at the tail of the field. As they race the final corner, Jet Prop regains the lead. D of J down on the inside. Sheila Princess, and on the further outside is Sunday Street. And nearing the finish line, Jet Prop by some 2 lengths. D of J, Sunday Street from the outside, Sheila Princess, Island Friend. And nearing the finish line, Jet Prop still leading the pack. And finally, RB De La Cruz on Jet Prop. Second, Island Friend, Sunday Street. Close, alam mo na yan, Sheila Princess, D of Jade, Cashier's Check, and Deep Pockets comes last.